Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fudge bars using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This straightforward list ensures a quick and delightful baking experience. Now, let's prepare the simple crust for our fudge bars. In a medium bowl, combine the 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with the 1/2 cup of melted butter. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Press this mixture firmly and evenly into an 8 by 8-inch baking pan lined with parchment paper. Bake for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it cool completely. Next, we will create the creamy fudge topping. In a saucepan, combine the 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and the 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until the chocolate is fully melted and the mixture is smooth and well combined. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour this warm, luscious fudge over your cooled graham cracker crust. The final step is to chill your delicious fudge bars. Place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until the fudge layer is completely firm. Once chilled, use the parchment paper to lift the entire slab of fudge bars from the pan. Cut them into 25 equal squares, each approximately 1 1/2 inches. These delightful treats are now ready to be enjoyed by everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.